Alright, GM guys. So in this video I want to be explaining, as usual, a trade recap on trades that I took this third week of December that we just passed through. So everything is basically simple, and I'm actually keeping everything super short so that we all get to understand it and maybe apply it. So I'm keeping it as maybe my lucky journal, right? So then we had Friday, Monday. I think I'm going to anchor something on this. Let me anchor a Fibonacci. This is actually from a weekly time frame, but I'm not going to go back to the weekly. But what I want you to observe is how price reacted to the 50% of the Fibonacci. So this was a retracement, and then we used it as a hard time frame key level for Thursday and Friday. So going on a 4-hour time frame, which I'm going to be explaining a lot of things on this 4-hour time frame. So then we had the displacement lower, look at it, and then we had a breaker block, or you can use it as a hard time frame key level again, and then we had a swing. So price dropped and then retraced back again on a hard time frame key level, which is this 4-hour. So if we anchor another Fibonacci from the high to the low, and then price was definitely on a premium key level, on a premium price, and then before dropping lower. So that's basically it. And then on Thursday I didn't get to see any trade. So this is actually only US 100 though. So back to what I explained earlier: breaker block, displacement, and drop, and then I took my entry here, right here. So this was where I took my entry, and then I got out from this point, targeting 1:3 and 1:4. No, 1:2. Likewise this day, but this was actually on US 30, not on NQ. And then on Friday I got a break even, right? So something actually occurred on that Friday. I accidentally entered with higher lot. I had to close it at loss and then open again with lower lot. So that's how I got break even. So I would have left it, but I was actually applying risk management and all that. So then dropping, so you can see this trade on Friday. My entry was a little bit low, but you can giving spread and everything, but you can see how price moved to a favorable gap and then moved higher. So then moving to on Monday I took a trade on Monday, and I also took a trade. This particular trade, I've explained the hard time frame, everything, but this was just the entry. You can take the entry after 9:30 and then you can start selling it down. So that was that. Let me use this thing for clarity. Have your SL at this level and then drop lower. That's it, just like that. So then going on Monday, so on Monday we had market structure shift right here and this place after 9:30, and then this was my entry. I took an entry there, and then my SL was above that high, even though there wasn't any possibility market will do its thing though, but I could have gotten a higher risk to reward ratio if I had tightened my SL a little bit lower or tighter, but I decided to just use it like that. And then I got my trades to 1:3 and again I entered again right here. So I was also targeting 1:2 that particular point. So price was retracing, and then this was around Asia section. So I think it was around the Asia section because it was not my time. So I had to like take another entry, and then as you can see, price hit it after waking up. When I woke up, I noticed that price was already hit my TP, and then this is US 30. Did I take a trade? I took a trade on US 30, right? It wasn't this day. It wasn't this. Yeah. This particular place. This was actually a nice trade. Though I entered before 9:30, but it's what it is. I got a smooth entry. I got stopped out though. I had to enter again. One account stopped me out after in TP, and then price hit TP and dropped, right? So one account hit TP, the other account that couldn't hit the TP stopped me out. So that was what occurred that day. I was actually low-key pissed, but it's what it is. At least we ended third week of December in profit. So that's that. It's actually a win, even though it's not like all that significant yet, but it's a win-win for us. So I'll be dropping another one next week. Stay safe.